Hi! In front of me is Nokia 224G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening menu and choosing Devices settings. In them, select Connectivity and pick Bluetooth. If it's not on, you need to click on it and then scroll down to pick Devices found. Now wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on this right button. Then click on Pair in the middle, wait a bit and choose OK. Lastly, wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Then, if you wish to set up Auto Connect, click on the middle button again. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, select this left button, click on Delayed Pairing, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by choosing Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!